Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by gathering the essentials: survey number, village, district, and the owner name. Once done, make sure you have a government ID like Aadhaar and scanned copies ready to upload. This speeds verification. Next, write down any sale deed numbers or mutation entries you already know, because you will use them to narrow results. Keep a pen and notebook. You will note reference numbers. This immediate preparation prevents delays and ensures you can move directly to the official portal or Mi Seva counter. You now perform the search on the official land records interface. Enter the survey no and owner name, then filter by year range. Once results appear, open encumbrance and mutation tabs to read linked documents and registered sale deed entries. This shows ownership history and charges. Make sure to download or screenshot each page, especially the registration number and timestamp, because those are your proof. If you see multiple owners, compare names and dates carefully, and keep a short timeline so you understand chain of title. You finish by verifying digital findings against physical records at the sub-registrar or Mi Seva counter. Match signatures, registrar numbers, and dates. Once discrepancies are noted, file a formal query. Include screenshots, ID, and a brief timeline to expedite review. Make sure to obtain a written or digital acknowledgement with a reference number so you can track the resolution. Troubleshooting tip: if records are missing or conflicting, request an encumbrance certificate and seek a certified extract from the registrar to resolve.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.